In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Reuters News app not working. So if you are experiencing any problem with your Reuters News app, maybe the app is too slow, it can't open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix your Reuters News app. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page. To do this, you can either do it through settings or in a shortcut method, just go to your app and long press on it and then go to app info. Here under app info, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. If I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Reuters News app collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and choose the second option, clear cache. Then okay, and as you can see, the cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Reuters News app, and this should have fixed your problem. But should this not fix your problem, then again come to the app info page and go again to clear data, and this time round tap on clear all data and okay, then check if everything is okay. But should these two methods not work, then you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if there is any update. So I'm on Android smartphone, so I've just opened it through Google Play Store, and currently I do not have an update. But should you have an update, then that might be the problem. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Reuters News app that might not be supported. Go ahead and tap on update to get the latest version and then go ahead and open it. In most cases, this should be able to fix all your problems. But should this not work, then head to the final method, and that is to uninstall this Reuters News app and then install it afresh. This will fix any bugs that might be causing your app to crash. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.